Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to maths class. In previous class, we have discussed a pair of linear equation in two variable, and this can be represented in two methods. That is, first one it is graphical method and algebraic method. Students, when we go with graphical method, we cross the three types of graphical representation according to given equation. We come across three type of graphical representation. Let's see one by one. See here, now we have to represent these two equation in graphical. First method, we have to plot a points. First step, we have to find out the coordinate points, that is x and y value. See first equation, take it as first equation, and this is a second equation. X minus 2y equals to 0. Now I will take minus 2y to the RHS part. X equals to what we got? 2y, and mark a table x and y coordinates. X coordinate and y coordinate points. At least you take 3 coordinate points. Let's start. When y equals to 0, then x equals to what here? Substitute y equals to 0 in this equation. That is, x equals to 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Then next, y equals to 1. X equals to what here? 2 into 1, that is 2. Y equals to 2. X equals to 2 into 2, that is 2 to the 4. Understood? When y equals to 0, x equals to what here? 0. When y equals to 1, x equals to what here? 2. When y equals to 2, x equals to what here? 4. And these are the 3 coordinate points for the equation first. And go for second equation, that is 3x plus 4y equals to 20. 3x plus 4y sending to the RHS part, it gets what here? Minus 20 minus 4a. I need only x term, x variable, so I am sending 3 to the RHS part, that is 2 into minus 4y. It gets what here? Divide. Why? Because it is into in LHS part. When it goes to the RHS part, it gets divide. So this is a required equation. Now I will take when y equals to, students, observe here required equation. It is divisible by 3. According to divisible by 3, take the terms, because it's get divisible here. If not, it get in points. So take in constant terms as possible as divisible terms with the 3. First I will take with 2. When y is equal to 2, let's see what we get for x. X equals to 20 minus 4 into 2 divided by 3. 20 minus 4 to the 8, that is 3. Don't minus 20 minus 4, because we have to first multiply and then go to the 20. 20 minus 8, it is how much? That is 12 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. 3 ones are 3 fours are. When y equals to 2, x equals to what here? 4. Okay, take a table here for second equation. That x by, when y equals to 2, x equals to what here? 4. And next I go with when y equals to 0, we get, go with the 5. Y equals to 5. First I will take 3. This implies x equals to substitute y equal to 3 in required equation. That is 20 minus 4 into 3 divided by 3. 20 minus 4 3 is 12 divided by 3. 20 minus 12, it is 18. 20 minus 12, it is 8 by 3. That is 3 1s are 3 2s are 6.6. 2.6. 3 1s are 3. 8 minus 3, 8 2s are 6. 2.0, that is 8 6 are 18, that is 2. 2.6. When y is equals to 3, we got what here? 2.6. It is easy to mark 2.6 and go with y is equals to 5. X equals to 20 minus 4 into 5 divided by 3. 20 into minus 4 5s are 20 divided by 3. 0 by 3, what is answer? 0 by anything is 0. 0 by 3 is 0. 0 by lakh is 0. 0 by 2 is also 0. 0 by 0, 0 by 0 we can't define. So 0 by 3 is 0. When y equals to 5, x equals to what here? 0. When y equals to 5, x equals to 0. When y equals to 3, x equals to 2.6. When y equals to 2, x equals to 4. And these are the two pair of linear equation coordinate points. Now represent in the graph by help of this coordinate points and see which type of representation we get. Graphical representation we get intersecting or parallel or coincident. Let us represent a graph. Students, these are the 2 points. This is graph and we have to write scale, mention scale, that x-axis is equal to 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter, and y-axis is equals to 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter, and mark the x-axis y dash, x dash. Okay, first see from the first equation coordinate points. When x equals to 0, y equals to what here? 0. When x equals to 0, y is also 0. That is 0, 0. Is it? Mark here. And next, when x equals to 2, y equals to 1. When x equals to 2, y equals to what here? 1. Mark here 2, 1. Always mark first x-axis point and y-axis point. Means how are you going to write coordinate points? Means p of x, y means first x coordinate point and second y coordinate point. Next, third point, it is 4, 2. When x is 4, y is 2. When x is 4, y is 2. 4, 2. Understood? And join these points. This which equation? I extend this bit here. And I will write the equation. What is the equation? This line equation, that is x minus 2y equals to 0. Compulsory you have to write this all points and equation name. Sorry, line of the equation. Which equation we have to write. Next, second equation. When x equals to 4, y equals to 2. When x equals to 4, y equals to 4. See, this is again same point here. Next, when x equals to 3, y equals to what here? 2.6. 2.6 means here. This is 1 and here 6. 3, 2.6. Next, when x equals to 0, y equals to what here? 5. When x equals to 0, y equals to what here? 5. And join these 3 points. First it start from here, 4, 2, 3, 4. I am joining these 3 points and extend this to see easy to recognize. 0, 5. And equation of, what is the equation for this line? 3x plus 4y equals to 20. The line of the equation it is. See students, how this graphical represented here, intersecting. See, these two lines intersected at only one point. Means when the two lines intersect, we get how many solutions for this equation? Only one solution. How many solutions we get when graphical represented with intersecting lines? Only one solution. Here solution means what? When I take x equals to 4 and y equals to 2, where it is intersected 4, 2, both lines intersected at one point, so it is has only one solution for this equation. Means all intersecting lines have how many solution? One solution, because it intersect at only one point. So intersection is meeting at one point, is called what here? Intersecting. So how many solution for intersecting lines? Only one solution to the pair of linear equation. Students, this same question is asked. Find out the given pair of equation. Is they are intersecting? They represent intersecting lines. And this is this type of question only asked for one question. So how are you going to do? We can't go for graph because it is a long method. We have another easy method by comparing the ratio of constants. Students, we have general formula of pair of linear equation, that is general form of pair of linear equation in two variable. Is it what it tells? a1x plus b1y plus c equals to what? c1 equals to 0. This is one linear equation. And second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. This is equation 2. This is a general formula for the pair of linear equation in two variables. Then, dear students, here by general formula comparing these ratios, constant ratios, these are a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are what here? Constant terms. Okay, observe these equations that only I written here. See here, these are in general form. Yes, they are in general form. Students, now we got this from this equation. Which representation? Intersecting. The lines are intersected and we got only one solution. So when you compare these ratios, see what a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. When these ratios are not equals to each other, then we can say the given graph, the given equations shows intersecting lines. The given pair of linear equations shows which type representation? Intersecting lines. When a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. The condition, when this condition is satisfied, it shows intersecting lines. See students, this is a pair of linear equations, and a1 by a2, b1 by b2, a1 by a2, that is 1 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 4 equals c1 by c2, it is 0 by minus 20. And when we, by comparing ratios, here a1 by a2 is not equals to what here, b1 by b2. So we got what here, intersecting lines. How many solution here? Only one solution. Through the algebraic interpretation, we can say we get only one solution for the given pair of linear equation. This is about representation of intersecting lines. Let's move to the next line. Take it as this equation first and equation second. They are in general form? Yes. Okay, solve now and find out the coordinate points from the given equation. Take first equation, 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals to 0. I need now x variable, so I am sending plus 3y and minus 9 to the RHS part, that is minus 3y plus 9 divided x equals to what here, minus 3y plus 9 divided by 2. This is the required equation. So first I will take y equals to 0 and substitute y equals to 0 in required equation. Minus 3 into 0 plus 9 divided by 2. 0 3s are 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9, it is 9. 9 by 2. The answer is what here? 4.5. Next, y equals to 1. Substitute. This implies x equals to minus 3 1 plus 9 divided by 2. Minus 3 plus 9, it is 6 plus 6, not minus 6. Why? Because minus 3 plus 9, plus into minus, minus 9 minus 3, 6. Which is a greater number? 9. Which sign it has to? Plus. So plus 6. 6 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. X equals to what we got? 3. When y equals to 1, x equals to what here? 3. Now substitute y equals to 3. Y equals to 3. I will go with 3. X equals to minus 3, 3 plus 9 divided by 2. 3 into 3, 9. Plus into minus, minus. Minus 9 plus 9 divided by 2. 0 by 2. 0 by 2. So 0 by 2 is what? 0. Understood? Y equal to 3. When y equal to 3, x equals to what we get? 0. When y equal to 1, x equals to 3. When y equal to 0, x we got 4.5. And mark in a table x, y coordinate points. That is y 0 1 3. That is 4.5 and here 3 and 0. This is the first coordinate for points for first equation. And go with second equation, that is 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals to 0. Minus 4. Next 4x. I will send plus 6y minus 18 to the RHS part. Minus 6y plus 18. Plus 18. X equals to what here? Minus 6y plus 18. Minus 6y plus 18. What we get? minus 6y plus 18 divided by 4. Now substitute y equals to 0 here. Again x, what we get? Minus 6 into 0 plus 18 divided by 4. 0 into 6 it is 0. 0 plus 18, that is 18 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20.5. See, 4 4s are 16, 18 minus 16, 2.0. 4.5 equals to what here? 0. Okay. When x equals, y equals to 0, x equals to what we got? 4.5. Now I will take y equals to 1. What we get? X equals to minus 6 1 plus 18 divided by 4. Minus 6 plus 18, what it is? Minus 6 plus 18, that is 12. 12 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 3s are equals to what here? 3. Next, y equals to 2. Now I will go with 3 only. X equals to what here? Minus 6 into 3. 3 plus 18 divided by 4. Minus 18 plus 18 divided by 4. Minus 18 plus 18, 0. 0 divided by 4, it is 0. So answer is 0. Next, mark this on table. When x equals to 4. So when y equals to 0, we got x equals to 4.5. When y equals to 1, x equals to what here? 3. When y equals to 3, x equals to what here? 0. See, this is a table for second equation. Why I took 3 means, see, when I substitute for 0, we got 4.5. When we observe x equals to 4.5, for same coordinate points we are getting. So I took here 3 to check, because when we take 0, 1, 2, 3 for this equation, 0, 1, 3 for the equation, x value came same. Now represent this coordinate points in graphs. Now represent these points in graph. See, when x equals to 4.5, y equals to what here? 0. When x equals to 4.5, y equals to what here? 0. Mark here 4.5 comma 0. When x equals to 3, y equals to what here? 1. And when x equals to 3, y equals to 1. When x equals to 0, y equals to 3. 0 comma 3. And join these lines and name for this line which equation it is, that is 2x plus 3y minus 9. This is the equation. Next, go with second equation, that is when x is 4.5, again same coordinate points. When x is 4.5, y is 0. When x is 3, y is 1. When x is 0, y is 3. So the second equation name it is 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals to 0. This is a second equation line. See students, when we observe this graph, we getting same points, means points are same, they are lying in a same line, means this line we call as a coincidence line. Which line? because all points tracing on the same line when compared to both equations. So these are coincident lines. Students, by seeing this equation, we have to say which graph it is. To say which graph, we have, by comparing ratios, we have condition that is a1 by b1 equal a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. When it satisfies this condition, we say this equation gives coincident lines. See, I will substitute values here. 2 by 4 equals to 3 by 6, 9 by 18, minus 9 by minus 18. 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 9 ones are 9 twos are, minus minus cancel here. So we all getting all terms is equals to what here? 1 by 2. By seeing this graph, we can say, by seeing this condition, obey this, so these two pair of lines obeying this condition, so it is which line? It gives coincidence lines. Coincidence lines. See, according to graphical method, the graph of pair of linear equation in two variables is represented by two lines. We come across three types of graphical representation. The first one, it is intersecting lines. When the given equation is in this type also we can see. It's the pair of linear equation in two variables is represented by two lines, that is in intersecting lines we can see, and parallel lines and coincident lines. Coincident lines. These are the three types of lines shows the graphical representation by the help of pair of two linear equations in two variables. Okay, let's see intersecting lines. The question is, represent the given pair of linear equation in a graphical method. That is, x minus 2y equals to 0, 3x plus 4y equals to 20. By the help of this pair of linear equation, let's see which type of graphical represent we get. Next, go with next problem, that is 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. Now 2x, which is the required equation, 2x, and I send 4y minus 12 to the minus 4y plus 12 to the RHS part, it get minus 4y plus 12, and x equals to minus 4y plus 12 divided by 2. Now this is a required equation for equation second. Now y equals to 0. Now what we get? X equals to minus 4 into 12 divided by 2. That is 0. 12 by 2, it is 6. Next, when y equals to 2, x equals to minus 4 into 2 plus 12 divided by 2. Minus 8 plus 12. What it gets? That is 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. X equals to what here? 2. Now y equals to 3. X equals to what here? X equals to minus 4 into 3 plus 12 divided by 2. Minus 12 plus 12, that is 0. 0 by 2, it is 0. Now take a table. xy 1 when y equals to 0, x equals to 6. When y equals to 2, x equals to 2. When y equals to 3, x equals to 0. These are the required coordinate points for equation first and second. Let us represent a graph with the coordinate points of the given equation. See, first equation coordinate points are when x equals to 4, y equals to 0. When x equals to 4, y equals to 0. When x equals to 0, y equals to 2. When x equals to 0, y equals to 2. When x equals to minus 2, y equals to 3. When x equals to minus 2, y equals to 3. Join these points. Write the coordinate points, that is 4, 0 and this 0, 2 and here minus 2, 3. This is the first equation coordinate points. Next is the when x equals to 6, y equals to 0. When x equals to 2, y equals to 2. When x equals to 0, y equals to 3. Join these points. Join these coordinate points, that 6, 0, 2, 2 and next point it is 0, 3. See, now which graph we can notice here? Parallel lines. From the given equation, the lines we got in parallel. And what is the condition for the parallel lines? When you say parallel lines, we get for the graph, condition for parallel lines, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b1 by b2 and b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. This is a condition. When this condition gives to the equation, then we can say the graph representing parallel lines. Okay, see, for this example, a1 is 1 and a2 is 2 and here b1 is 2, b2 is 4 and a1 c1 is 4, c2 is 12 minus and here 1 by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2, minus cancel, 4 1s are 4 3s, that is 1 by 3. We got 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is not equals to 1 by 3. Hence this condition it is followed and we got a parallel lines. Students, this is the introduction to the exercise 3.2. Practice these 3 columns and it is for 1 mark questions this all. So practice it all 3 columns. Thank you. Dear students, let's see next problem. That is x plus 2y minus 4. Take it as first equation. 2x plus 4y minus 12. Take it as second equation. And solve for first equation. X plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Now I require x value, that is x equals to minus 2y plus 4. Okay, next